Hi everyone, welcome to this LincStation tutorial. In this video, we'll show you how to set up your NAS for the first time, including powering it on, finding it on your network, registering the device, and connecting it to Wi-Fi. Step 1. Connect and power on. First, connect the Ethernet cable and power adapter with the NAS. Now press the power button. The LED will change to a white breathing light, which means the device is starting up. The initial boot process takes about 35 seconds. When the LED changes from a white breathing light to a solid white light, the startup process is complete, and your NAS is ready to use. Step 2. Access your NAS. Before accessing the NAS, make sure your NAS and your computer are connected to the same local network through the same router or switch. There are two ways to access your NAS. Option A. Use the LincStation client. This is the recommended method for Windows, iOS, and Android users. Go to the official LincPlus website, https://www.lincplustech.com/linkus.html. Download and install the LincStation client. You can also search for LincStation in the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. Option B. Use the web UI. You can also open LincOS in a browser. The easiest way to find your NAS IP address is through your router's management page. Look for DHCP client list or connected devices, then find the IP address assigned to your NAS. Just enter the NAS IP address, and the LincOS web interface will open. Both the LincStation client and the web UI allow you to choose your preferred language from the top right corner. Step 3. Register a new device. Here we'll use the Windows client as an example. Download the LincStation client, open the installer, and follow the steps to install it. After installation, open the client and click Register New Device. You will see the device IP address and serial number. Then create your administrator account and password. Finally, set up the security question carefully, as it can help protect or recover your account later. After registration is complete, go back to the login page, enter your account and password, and log into your NAS. Step 4. Initialize the disk. Before initializing a disk, please make sure you have backed up any important data on it. Go to My Device, then open Disk Management. Find the disk you want to initialize, and click Wipe Device. After the disk has been wiped, you can go back and create a new storage space and create storage space. This step is required before using the disk to build a new storage space. Connect to Wi-Fi. After the initial setup, you can connect your NAS to Wi-Fi. Go to My Device, select LAN, choose your Wi-Fi network, enter the password, and connect. Once connected, you can unplug the Ethernet cable and use the NAS wirelessly. For first-time setup, we recommend using Ethernet. For light daily use, Wi-Fi is fine. For large file transfers or long-term operation, Ethernet is recommended. If Wi-Fi fails to connect, check the password, make sure your devices are on the same network, and avoid using guest Wi-Fi. That's it for the first-time setup.